Hello, in this presentation, I want to show you how to select a scanned file, import it and automatically detect where there is a mismatch in the scanned text. So, let's start with opening the DMC file, and import into both star.csv scan files, contained in folder on M server. For the beginning, I will make it in normal way without VBA, only by import data from CSV file, into a new sheet. I will select comma as separator, then the cell where to be inserted imported text. Now, the imported data can be manually processed, as we required, with formulas and formats. Next, the same thing, using a VBA macro, job is done in few seconds. First, I select the file from default folder. In the meantime, a new sheet was inserted. The dates from CSV file are already imported, the file name also added. I need only to confirm or change first and last part of the fixed scanned code. At OK button push, the macro is run, all the formulas and formats are inserted, and the table is filtered, to show only the errors. Cells are formatted, also conditional format applied, then filtered to show errors, all with VBA macro. Next, same steps to import the other file, in a new sheet, named automatically as scan number total sheets -1. The fixed code can be adapted for different scanned part types, in order to obtain the right result. Next, the macro will run, taking into consideration the new fixed code, and obtain the results. Next, I will analyze all the formulas inserted. In cells C3 and D3 was inserted the fixed scan code from previously VBA user form. All cells below them contains equal formulas to them, in order to have same fixed code in every row. In E3 cell, the formula obtains the individual code by removing the fixed one cell C3D3 from B3. The formula was applied for all cells in column below, till last used row. In F3 cell, formula checks if the first part of fixed code is matching or not, or if cell in column C is blank. The formula is applied till last row, together with an conditional format, that sets background color of each cell according to formula result. In cell H3 is an alternate formula, for checking first part of code, only defined by true or false. The formula in cell F3 is more complex and allows to define the result, also taking into consideration blank cell in column C. In cell G3 is almost the same formula as F3, but this time referring to last part of fixed code, column D. In I column, the formula determined if there is a mismatch in previous three cells and allow filtering by knock. Next, I will show you the conditional format formulas, applied with VBA, to the three ranges. Next, I will show the code, starting with data import, from selected file, continuing with formula, conditional format and cell format. First macro will open the Explorer window to define path, in order to select the desired file, and import contained data. Next, the user form is open, with default values set at initialization. The values in user form are inserted in cells C2 and D2, after that is called another macro, that will add formulas, formats, filters. First are inserted the table headings, then the format, style, alignment, and borders. Next, same thing for the second row. Next, will be added the formulas, filled till last row, and added conditional formats. Then will be applied the page format, to arrange and split data on pages before print, then the data will be filtered for wrong inputs. This is all the code needed, for import data from selected file, then insert formulas, formats, conditional formats, next set page format and filter data, all in few seconds. I hope you will find useful this presentation, and you can adapt it to your needs, or inspire in your projects. Till my next presentation, I wish you all the bests.